Well, the waiting is over now. We've just witnessed the first half of the opening match for the FIFA World Cup 2026. It's exciting. The waiting is over. It's now time to watch football, quality football. So far, it's half time with our first opening group match between Mexico and South Africa. Mexico is leading 1-0. Courtesy of a goal from Julian Querinenes in the 9th minute. It was really a brilliant goal. But anyway, again, it was the goalkeeper's blunder. Ronnie Williams to make a blunder by passing someone who was not open enough. So as we are speaking, South Africa is trailing 1-0. Remember what I said in my opening video. I said South Africa, they might be a contender, but they're likely to lose this match either by 2-0 or 1-0. And I said their biggest temptation was to resist the pressure from the home team in the first 30 minutes. And this really happened, that within 9 minutes, they've conceded a goal. But well, towards this middle of the game, towards 30 minutes to 35 minutes, they've gained momentum, they've gained some confidence, and they were coming back. But if you look now in terms of winning probability now, Mexico is now 86% winning probability, while South Africa 2% and 12% for a draw. So let's go to the statistics for the first half and see how it goes. And you can see from the match that Roy Williams was much busier compared to his colleague, the Mexican keeper. So in terms of shots, Mexico had 16, South Africa had 2. So you can see that there's a lot of pressure on South Africa. Then in terms of shots on targets, 3 for Mexico and 1 for South Africa. Then in terms of ball possession, 57% for Mexico and 43% for South Africa. 275 passes for Mexico and 194 for South Africa. They're having some disjointed passes. They seem to be panicking because where it matters, you see them losing possession unnecessarily. 90% pass accuracy for Mexico and 87 for South Africa. 5 fouls for Mexico and 6 for South Africa. 1 yellow card apiece for both two teams, 0 red cards for both two teams, 0 offsides for Mexico and 1 for South Africa, 2 corners for Mexico and 1 for South Africa. So this is how it stands now as we go to halftime. So South Africa is trailing, but they're still hopeful. We've seen that they were now slowly gaining momentum. Another interesting thing, I'd forgotten that the former Mallorca coach is now the head coach for Mexico. Remember, 2 years ago, when he left Mallorca, he was going to join his national team, going back to Mexico. So he's been doing well so far. So let's see how this match will unfold. This is South Africa. They still have a chance to win this game or to draw this game. Because 1-0 is not a big difference, but they need to play hard because they are fighting with the host, which is not easy. So let's wait and see how the second half will unfold. Thank you.